Welcome to White Bear Lincoln, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with driver attention alert system, available Google connected in-car apps, acoustic laminated windshield, emergency braking preparation, power windows with safety reverse, anti-theft system engine immobilizer, rear side curtain airbags, rear view camera system, pre-collision warning system pedestrian detection, rear parking sensors, and much more. Since 1978, family-owned White Bear Lincoln has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing experience around. We provide a friendly atmosphere where you know you're getting the best service because we care about our customers. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you find a vehicle that is just right for you. Our online reviews say it all. Come see for yourself why so many happy customers choose White Bear Lincoln.